Hello everybody, it's Tortoise Investing coming at you today with a portfolio update. I asked in the community tab what yins wanted. Yins wanted this and a buy and hold forever video, so this will be coming out on Friday, and my buy and hold forever video will be coming out on Sunday. So to make sure you don't miss out on that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And hit the like button. That helps the videos out a ton. The YouTube algorithm is super tricky, and I greatly appreciate it. Now, without further ado, the portfolio, we're sitting at $4,761.25. This is how we have our allocation set up. Go ahead to the holdings tab here. We got some changes. Extra space storage is no longer the last place. Had a giant jump after earnings, but this is how everything is looking now. Again, still pretty condensed. 1 ETF, 6 individual holdings. That's how I like it. And if we look here, year to date, we are up 17.91%. The S&P 500 is up 13.68%. So we are still beating the S&P by quite a bit. If we take a look here, these are the buys I've done so far for the month. A little bit of DCAing going on here. 25 in Hershey, 15 Apple, 30 extra space storage, 46.47 into SCHD. And again on the 7th, just a little bit more, 45.86 into SCHD. Again, just a nice little DCA. Now, as I mentioned, extra space storage did have a pop after earnings. If you look right here, let's see here, from the 7th up to the top here, up 14.66%. Very nice. Like that a lot. Before then, they have had a heck of a fall, like from their high back in March the 3rd down to their low here. Yeah, almost 40%. I got in the 130s, and I've just been DCAing down because I'm a big believer in this company long term. Now, if you noticed, we do have a new one at the bottom, which is Hershey Company. And I'm still a really big believer now. I'm just not buying anymore right now because I kind of like the position I've got in it. Gonna want to build up my cash position a little bit more, but Hershey, adjusted free cash flow yield 4.13%, pretty good. Dividend yield 2.54%, payout ratio 46%. Some strong fundamentals with this company, and I believe in them long term. 6.75% revenue growth over the last 5 years. Free cash flow over the last 10 years, 8.27%. Accelerating last 5 years, 12.76%. EPS over 10% growth the last 10 years. Over the last 10 years, debt $3 billion, EBITDA $2 billion. I like companies to have to not have more than 3 times their EBITDA in debt. Got some good dividend growth here, almost 10% over the last 10 years, and the return on capital employed is over 20%. They don't really do share buybacks, but I think fundamentally, not financial advice, do your own research. I love this company long term, and I think it's at a great price. I got in at $220, and I've just been buying as it's dropping down further and further. And if it keeps dropping even more, I'm going to have to buy more. But lastly, we will take a look through trackyourdividend.com. We are sitting at $125 annualized with the portfolio. Total portfolio yield of 2.63%. This tab's pretty neat. I like how this is all organized out. As you can see here, December, March, June, September is definitely my biggest dividend months. It's pretty much where everything is. MasterCard and Apple are by themselves, but yeah, that's just a quick look at the portfolio, Lee. I hope that Ian's have been doing well and that everyone has a great weekend. I think things are going well with it. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with my Hershey position right now. If they continue dropping, I might look at picking up a little bit more. But right now, it's just trying to build up that cash position and DCAing into my positions as they're down. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed that. Again, if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more. And until next time, see yous.